chance on the carry. Downs again. Stop on number 30. Quarterback keeper. Very close. Quarterback back. Complete. To number 2, John Cloud. Number 2, on the carry, that's Alan Baez for big game. Pass play, going deep, knockdown by number 32, Keyshawn. Going to go to 10, and he is out of bounds at the 7-yard. Off the middle, stopped by Hosted Raiders. Second down. Come on. Recovered by the Scarlet. Goes clear. Trying to get outside. Touchdown Scouts. Touchdown run by 34 Sam Aguilar. We're going for 2. Flag. Kick up. Goal. Score. Scarlet 7. Raiders. Pass. Receive. By number 5. Stop by number 34, number 32, that's Keyshawn the Flash Plum.
Top the ball and
that's Sam Aguilar on the carry. Stopped by Minnie Mills. Stopped by Jimmy Thompson and number 85, Rayon. Flag on the play. There's Aguilar. Knocked out of bounds. By number 20, Carlton Winter. Number 77, Ron Tyler. Fourth down. That's Pimienta. That's 34. That's Kevin Byers on the play. That's number 2. That's Byers. Pulled down by Sam Aguilar. There he goes, Aguilar again. At the sideline. Stop by number 20. Goes down inside the 5. Aguilar hit by number 85. That's him. There's a flag on the play. That's 2, Kevin Byers. Stopped. Intercepted. Intercepted. Byers on the carry. Stop by. Second down. That's Aguilar. Still first down. Knocked out of bounds by number 62. Second down. The winning ticket was held ticket was held by Mrs. Henderson. Touchdown, Scarlets. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to announce that winning ticket ladies and gentlemen, I'm just informed by the police department that there are quite a few double parked cars. You have to move your cars. Stop by number 50, Dave James, and number 1, Jimmy Thompson.
First place, 6-yard game, run, Sammy.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to mention again, our 50-50 prize was second down. There's Aguilar again on the carry. There's a flag on the play. There's Aguilar again. Knocked out of bounds. Number 7.
Who got him?
That's number 2, Kevin Baez. Stop behind the line. Red ball. Tackle made by number 14, that's Gary Morrison. And 85 to him. There's Aguilar. Stop by number 1, Jimmy Thompson. At the middle. Side to 15. Aguilar, knocked out by David James. Touchdown, Scarlets. Ladies and gentlemen, I must ask, and she's doing one heck of a job, Miss Eileen Sloan. So please patronize our concession. Stand. There's Aguilar again. Well done. There is a flag. There's a flag. That was LaRon McKnight.